So we're going to look at the start of meandering, and you'll see it's marked slowly, so that's good. And you're going to need all your levers down because we've got 3 flats in the key signature. Okay, so with the right hand, we're going to put our thumb on the C above middle C. So here's my middle C here. I'm going to put my thumb on the C above, miss a string, and put the second finger on the A flat. So you've just got one empty string in between. And I'm going to play you the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords that the right hand's going to play. Okay, so if you could see, we started on the C and A flat, and then we just shifted down one, keeping the same spacing in the hand, and then we came up again to the same one we started on, we went down again, and then we came up again. So I'm going to play you those chords again. All right, and if we were going to think about the rhythm, it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4. So, or you can think about it as you've got minims, which are worth 2 beats. So you've got 4 of those, 4 minims, and then you get what's called a semi-breve, which lasts for your 4 counts. Okay. Now, the left hand isn't going to play during those first 4 chords, but when you play that 5th chord that rings on in your right hand, that's when your left hand is going to join in, and the left hand is going to do 4 chords, and they're pretty similar to the right hand, but you're down an octave. So thumb goes on middle C, miss a string, and second finger on A, and this is the left hand bit. Okay, so if I put that together, remember you're going to get 4 chords of right hand, and then when you play the 5th chord of the right hand, that's when the left hand's going to come in. Okay. Okay, so that is your first 4 bars of meandering.